Deep in the heart of the African savanna, where the grasslands stretch far and wide and the acacia trees provide shade from the scorching sun, lies the perfect home for Hank, the happiest hippo in the jungle. Hippos love water, and I mean L-O-V water. They spend most of their days lounging in the cool, calm waters of rivers, lakes, and watering holes like this one. Mom's always keeping an eye on him, making sure he doesn't get into too much trouble. But with Hank, trouble's always just around the corner. Oh no, Hank's on the hunt. He's got a need for speed. As the day comes to a close, Hank and his mom settle in for a well-deserved rest. It's been a big day, but they'll be back at it again tomorrow.